I'm recording.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's probably cheap over there too.
I don't know about that.
There's a lot of houses.
I wouldn't want to live up there.
I wouldn't want to live up there either, but I'm saying it looks cheap though.
Landslide.
Yeah, that too.
Mudslide.
Yeah, but it never rains here.
As soon as I buy a house, it'll rain. You know?
Yeah. For the first time in 300 years.
Right?
So that means all those people are rich.
Nah, I think this is cheap. It's like, it's not a like good location.
Well, let's move here.
Yeah, on our way.
Oh my God.
Hoover Dam. Oh my God, we got close to the end. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Bam with fam, y'all. We're going to the mountains, y'all. On our way to Hoover Dam. Stay tuned, y'all.
Sportster Missions, baby, live and direct once again. I am at the Hoover Dam with the fam, and it's very windy out here. It's very hot too, so everybody is just okay. I guess I'm holding this. Hey, wife, before you go to the restroom, we out here at the Hoover Dam doing our thing. About to go do some sightseeing, so stay tuned. I've never been here, so we're gonna find out what it's about. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Hey, auntie, check you out. I remember that. We got that at the mall.
Yep, I did.
Yep.
I wear it every year.
Yeah, nice. Hey, Jayla. Anything you want to say to the people?
Hi.
Okay. Straight to the point. Hey, D. What's up?
Hey.
All right.
Damn.
Yep. All right, Mr. Suntan over here. Or Sunblock, I mean.
Right.
And here's the faithful driver of the, what is it, 15 passenger van?
This one's 12.
12 passenger van.
It's like a 15.
Yeah. Yeah, right up this mountain.
This mountain, right?
Yeah. Check you out. Looking like as touristy as ever.
I know, right?
Yeah. It's screaming tourists.
No, we decided not to do that.
Okay. So we got the touristy signs, as you know. Don't have time to read them, maybe on the way back. And so here we go, let's do this. I'm sorry. I'll come back and read these later. Alright, so let's begin. We got a nice long climb, as you can see, in the desert sun. You gotta move a little bit faster. You alright? Yeah, you're not used to this heat, are you? You should be. Ain't you from Africa? No, you're not. You gotta stay on this side.
The exercise and it's good for me.
Hmm?
The exercise and it's good for me.
Oh, that's good.
More stairs. I ain't taking the stairs. I'm taking
to the stairs quicker. Me and Jayla decided to be brave and take the stairs because why not? There they go, way down there.
Okay, now we wait.
I don't want to wait up there in the shade. Well, behind that little thing.
Yeah.
Woo, baby. It's hot, 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 hot. You want to wait for him right here?
Yes.
All right. Yeah. We're going to wait for him right here in the shade. Wow. We get the rest and wait for him to come. Okay, I think this is the halfway mark. We got the more, signs and stuff like that, things to read. Well, this one you can't really see. So I'm gonna keep going. Let's see what else. How far away we are from the top.
No, pero yo me espero en la sombra.
Bless you. More signs that we're not going to read.
The wind is kind of making it better a little bit.
Yeah, it is.
But it's still hot a lot.
Yeah, very hot. All right, here we go. How high up are we? Ooh, Jesus. Hold on. Wait to the good part, y'all. Wait to the good part.
Oh no.
Wow.
Oh, that's the different.
Oh, there we go. Wait a minute. Let me get on the other side, y'all. We got the highway on this side, and we got.
I'm trying to take a picture.
You want me to take it for you?
No.
Oh, okay. You really scared?
Yes.
Oh, wow. All them roller coasters you've been on?
You'll take it. Oh, you can.
Yeah, I can see it.
I'm trying to take a picture.
She's jumpy.
I'm trying to take a picture.
Windy up here. Yeah. out here. It feels good to me. I feel like I'm getting energy. Hey, so you're from Grenada, a little island in the Caribbean, and now you're at the Grand Canyon. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say?
It's unbelievable
Uh-huh.
how big this country is.
Yeah.
Yes, it is really, really big.
And what do you think about the Grand Canyon? I mean, not the Grand Canyon, the Hoover Dam. I mean, the
Oh,
Hoover
it's the
Dam.
first time I've been here. I'm shocked to see it. I couldn't believe all these hills and mountains like that.
Yeah.
And we are 1,000 feet high right now.
Yeah, it's probably a little higher than that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I can't believe that it's dried up, but it's
Yeah.
been drying up for years. I heard.
Yeah.
Last time I was here, the water was flowing and everything. But
Oh, I could believe it. Everybody talked about global warming and climate
yes,
change and
yes,
stuff.
Yes, but now it's like nothing.
Yeah.
It's like I'm shocked.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's great.
But me, I'm enjoying myself. You know, I used to live over in San Diego. Well, y'all probably don't know, but I did. And it was pretty much just like this.
Yeah.
We was only like about 25 minutes away from Mexico. And that's why I love this. It reminds me of California so much. I've never been here to Vegas or to the Hoover Dam or to the Grand Canyon, but I love it out here. It feels like home to me out here. I love it. I can see myself living out here. My wife will probably divorce me if we move out here, but you can't live out here, right?
No, it's
I'm
so
gonna be honest
humid.
with y'all.
Oh, I love it.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Tell you where I'm originally from. Utah.
Yeah. I think he is. This man, hold up. This man been talking about Utah ever since the playing land. I think his heart, he has a Utah soul. He been saying is Utah. I don't know, the next trip might be either we drive to Utah from here or we go to Utah somehow, man. This guy been talking about Utah. I don't know, maybe that's the promised land for him. Maybe when he get to Utah, he'll start glowing or something. Yeah, right? Maybe the Lord will start talking to him, like audibly. Like you're the chosen one of
Something
Utah.
about Utah. What? Let's go.
I don't know.
That's all. Let's
We out of here. I'm about to Google Utah now.
Tell me everything about Utah.
I'm gonna do a PowerPoint presentation on Utah back at the hotel.
Oh, I want you to preach on Utah.
I think you'll do it better. Yeah. Utah. I don't know. There might be some hidden symbolic meaning to this. Sports emissions. Sheila's having panic attacks up there. Someone that's used to roller coasters. Why is that?
The difference between a roller coaster and a bridge is that the bridge is you have to stand up and it's not moving unless the trucks or the cars like start shaking it. And a roller coaster is done by itself and you have to sit down on it. Some sit down, some you have to stand on, but that's
So it wasn't the issue, wasn't the height of how high we was. It was the fact you was just standing there and the trucks was going by.
It was actually both of them.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. To each his own. Like me, I conquered my fear of heights. I made a video about that. I'll link it here in the description. And I will talk to you guys later. We out. All aboard. Next stop. Next stop, Grand Canyon.
Next stop, Utah.
Next stop, Utah. Yeah, right?
Next stop, Willoughby.
Next stop, Willoughby.
Oh, I got you, Willoughby. Oh, I want to hear
Willoughby. Next stop, Willoughby. Willoughby.
All right.
Next stop, Willoughby.
Oh, it's ice.
All right, make sure to keep your hands and watch for the closing doors.
Something fall from you. You have another seat?
Oh, wait a minute.
Fall in the front.
Some fell.
Don't flip about glasses.
Oh, your glasses fell?
By the chair, by this chair.
It's by the chair.
What chair?
It's by the chair. By the chair that Dick sit at. Oh, careful.
Oh!
You okay?
Nope, I'm in Willoughby now.
Wait a minute, I gotta find my glasses.
He said it was back there.
No, it's under, like, it fell under.
Oh,
wait,
oh, here we go.
There we go.
Oh boy. Thank you.
Next stop, Willoughby.
Okay, next stop, Willoughby.
I don't feel that here.